Are you tired of your inbox being flooded with unwanted emails? Whether you're using the Mail app on your iPhone or Gmail, I'm here to help you unsubscribe from those pesky emails and block spam effectively. Let's tidy up that inbox and regain some peace of mind. So let's jump right in. Solution 1. Unsubscribe from emails in the iPhone Mail app. First, open the Mail app on your iPhone. Next, find an email from the sender you no longer wish to receive emails from. Now look at the top of the email. You might see an unsubscribe link. If you spot it, go ahead and tap unsubscribe. Keep in mind that not all emails will have an unsubscribe option in the Mail app. For those, you might need to visit the sender's website or check out the next method below. Solution 2. Unsubscribe from emails in the Gmail app. Start by opening the Gmail app. Next, open an email from the sender you wish to unsubscribe from. Now scroll down to the bottom of the email and tap the unsubscribe link. After that, confirm that you want to stop receiving emails from that sender. Solution 3. Block unwanted emails in the iPhone Mail app. First, open the Mail app again. Then navigate to the email from the sender you want to block. Now tap and hold the sender's name. After that, select Block this contact. Solution 4. Block unwanted emails in Gmail. First, open the Gmail app once more. Then, open the email from the sender you wish to block. Now tap the 3 dots in the top right corner of the email. After that, select Block, sender's name. By following these steps, you can effortlessly put a stop to unwanted emails and keep your inbox organized. If you have any questions or need further assistance, just drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in and happy inbox cleaning.